I guess most of them get answer 108 for this problem in wrong order here. 9 plus 3 is 12 times here 2 power 3 plus 1 in bracket here 12 times here 2 power 3 is 8 plus 1 in bracket here 12 times 8 plus 1 is 9 here 12 times 9 is 108 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 108 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division are both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operation PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 9 plus 3 times. Here bracket we have two operations. One is exponent, other one is addition. So we have to do this exponent before this addition. So 2 power 3 is 8 plus 1 in bracket. Here 9 plus 3 times. Here 8 plus 1 is 9. Here we have addition and multiplication. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 9 plus here 3 times 9 is 27. Here 9 plus 27 is 36 is the correct answer.